Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove a device that is logged into your Netflix account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Netflix application on your device, and if you haven't logged into your account already, go ahead and enter your credentials and then log into your account. Once you have been logged in, if you wish to kick anyone off your account, then tap on your profile icon at the top right corner. You can then tap on the account option, and now from the settings page, tap on Manage Access and Devices underneath Security and Privacy. You will now see all of the devices that are connected with your account and the various different profiles that they are connected to. You can simply tap on Sign Out within the device that you want to kick out, and this device will be removed from your Netflix account right away. Just tap on the Sign Out option and you will be asked whether you are sure that you want to sign out. After selecting the Sign Out option, this account and this device will be removed right away. And there you have it. That is how you can remove a device from your Netflix account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.